How to withdraw from Faucetpay to Binance. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to withdraw from Faucetpay to Binance account. After you open up your Binance app like this now go to assets. So in your Binance, after you open, go to asset, now go to deposit. So from this deposit section, now tap on this section and search for the coin you want to withdraw. Let's say for me, I want to withdraw BTC from my Faucetpay account. So just search for BTC and copy the address. Here is BTC. So just tap on this. So here is now select the network. I'll go ahead and select BNB, this one BIP20. So now here is the address. Now copy the address. After you copy the address of the BTC from your Binance, now go back to your Faucetpay. So after you open up now your Faucetpay, all you have to do now, go back to the Faucetpay and tap on menu. After you open menu on your Faucetpay, go to withdrawal page. Then paste in your deposit address that you copy from Binance. Then select the same crypto and network. Make sure to select BTC or any network that you copy and the BIP20, that's the network. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. Click withdraw and confirm. So after you click withdraw and confirm, all you have to do now from your Faucetpay, now go back to your Binance. So after you come back to your Binance, all you have to do now on your Binance, if you come to the asset section on your Binance, make sure to tap on this option, this one. So from this option now, select this spot. So from this spot now, as you can see now, under this spot history, here is the deposit history. So you can be able now to see the deposit history that you sent from your Faucetpay to your Binance account, like this one. That's it guys on how to withdraw